Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain Burrito updated. Start by preparing soft rotis, spiced mashed potatoes, fresh vegetables, and tangy tamarind chutney. Assemble, roll tightly, and press lightly to seal. Use minimal oil, avoid root vegetables, and layer flavors so each bite stays balanced. Serve warm with lemon wedges and extra chutney on the side for dipping and freshness. Enjoy this portable Jain meal at picnics, work lunches, or casual dinners. I'll walk you through the ingredients and simple prep steps so you can make a Jain burrito at home with confidence. Measure spices carefully, keep potatoes evenly mashed, and chop vegetables uniformly for easy rolling. Use fresh herbs for brightness and warm rotis to prevent cracking. Layer chutney first to avoid soggy texture. Follow the sequence and practice a couple times to perfect your roll and sealing technique and patience. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and updates. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a handy companion for picnics or meal prep breaks. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if you'd like. I appreciate your support, and it helps me make more helpful content for you. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a warm roti, spread a thin layer of chutney, then add fillings in a neat line near one edge to ease rolling. Fold sides inward, roll firmly but gently, and seal the edge with a dab of chutney or mashed potato. Toast lightly on a pan to crisp the exterior if desired. Slice diagonally and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. This method keeps fillings intact and makes eating on the go simple and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.